Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Amazon video uploads. Ever wondered how to showcase your product in action or provide valuable tutorials to potential buyers? Well, you're in luck because we're going to show you exactly how to upload a video to a specific ASIN on Amazon. Let's get started. First things first, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account and head over to the Catalog tab under the menu in the left corner. From there, click on Upload and Manage Videos from the drop-down under the Catalog section. Once you click, you will be redirected to the Videos dashboard, where you can manage your existing videos or add a new video to an ASIN. Now click on the Upload Video tab. You can find this button in your dashboard at two places. Select the video file from your computer that you want to upload. Make sure it meets Amazon's video upload requirements in terms of format, length, and content. While your video is uploading, you'll have the option to add a title, ASIN, brand name, language and thumbnail to video for a particular ASIN. Enter a relevant title to the video. Now enter the particular ASIN. Select the brand name, video language, and you can also select the thumbnail of the video. For now, we are not adding any thumbnails. Once everything looks good, click Submit to finalize the upload. Amazon will review your video to ensure it complies with their guidelines and policies. This process typically takes a few hours. And there you have it. That's how you upload a video to a specific ASIN on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.